Okay, guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the fastest, the easiest, and the most convenient way to learn programming, particularly Python programming language. So over here, we have a whole file of the algorithms of Python, and you can easily find this on GitHub. I'll drop the link down just below this video. Right? So the first step you have to do is you come here, then create a new file. Click here. So just click here, then create a new file over here. Then you just call this file, you can call it test.py.py. Right? So this is your test.py. Then you go up, you start from the first one. This is a Python file, but this file is in here and Python file. So we'll go to the next, check analysis. So drag drop pictures, drag drop our picture. So next one, bisection py, right? So this is a Python file over here. So what you do is you go down to your test.py, drag it to the bottom. You see a dividing line, then you leave it. Then you observe that your bisection.py is up and your test.py is down here. So due to your own convenience, but four space indentation is always two bulky, so I prefer using two, and I recommend that you use two, right? So once you get here, what you do next is all the code that you see over here, just hand code it down yourself. code up here has been coded down here. So next thing you do, you click here, you go to the next code, you drag it, you paste it there, and then you come down to your code once more and code every single line of this that you see over here. And when you're done, click on it, go to the next code, drag it, all of this code up here, code it down here. Then you go to the next code, you click on it, then you go to the next code, then you drag it, you bring it here, over here, then you code it down here. Keep doing that. So code it and you keep coding. So this is the easiest and the most convenient way to learn Python programming language, to learn programming in general, but this particular tutorial is for exactly for Python programming language. So I'll see you again on our next video. Once again, I am PMP, Powerful Magnetic Programmer.